Thank you. Oh, don't speak too soon.
Woo! All right, here we go. Wide open.
Okay, I got my feet readied. What? Oh, this is the spot. Oh, 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 oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Hell no, we got this.
Oh! Oh God! Sliding into home! Sliding into home! Woo!
You want to do a cold start on the diesel real quick?
This is a really fucking cold start. Let's do it. Oh God! Oh God! Slash! I'm totally. I'm recording all of this, by the way. Do you want me to stand outside or inside? I mean, it doesn't matter to me. Tell me where to be. Okay. Oh, sugar.
You'll see where the door actually starts? This is the door. The rest is my Mario Buster show.
This is definitely a cold start of icy potential.
If it even starts.
Well, we're about to find out.
Stand back by the back so you can hear the exhaust.
Well, oh God, down this driveway. Look, if I walk drunk, I'm good. Look, I'm drunk. If I walk drunk, I'm fine. I'm serious, Ted. Look at this. No probs. Oh, one slippage. I still have my flashlight. What else? Right, wait, hold on. It's focusing. Oh no, hold on. Where's my lens? No, hold on. Wait. The lens got droplets on it, so it's not focusing.
Is it better?
Yeah.
You ready?
Whoa, shit, no. Yeah.
Keep recording.
I am.
You ready?
You're gonna have to edit the fuck out of this. Okay. Yeah. Ho ho!
Yeah, that's a cold start for you. That common rail. For all you don't knows that don't know, get that symbol right there.
That's my baby. I don't know if I got anything good. Oh, look at the icicle cold start right here. Ah! In Virginia, that's major. Don't show my tires. All right, I'm cutting it off.